Hey learners, this is Pranshi Verma. Welcome to my channel guys. In today's YouTube session, we are going to discuss operating system multiple choice question and answer for your all competitive examination and all regular examination. Okay. In this, your first question is dual mode of operating system has option A 1 mode, option B 2 mode, option C 3 modes, option D 4 modes. Right answer here is option B 2 modes. Okay. Dual mode of operating system has two modes. Next question. Multiprocessor systems gives a option A small systems, option B tightly coupled system, option C loosely coupled system, option D both A and B. Right answer here is option B, tightly coupled system. Multiprocessor system gives a tightly coupled system. Next question. Logical extension of multi-programming operating system is option A time sharing, option B multitasking, option C signal programming, option D both A and B. Right answer here is option D both A and B. Logical extension of multi-programming operating system is time sharing as well as multitasking. Okay. Next question. Multiprocessor system have advantage of option A increased throughput, option B expensive hardware, option C operating system, option D both A and B. Right answer is option A increased throughput. Multiprocessor system can have advantage of increased throughput. Next question. Scheduling of threads are done by option A input, option B output, option C operating system, option D memory. Right answer is option C operating system. Scheduling of threads are done by operating system. Next question. Multi-programming of computer system increase option A memory, option B storage, option C CPU utilization, option D cost. Right answer is option C. Multi-programming of computer system increases CPU utilization. Next question. Another type of multiple CPU system is the option A mini computer, option B supercomputer, option C clustered system, option D both A and B. Right answer is option C clustered system. Another type of multiple CPU system is the clustered system. Next question. Interrupt table of pointers having addresses for each interrupt is located at option A high memory, option B low memory, option C mid memory, option D both A and B. Right answer is option B low memory. Okay. Interrupt table of pointers having addresses for each interrupt is located at low memory. Next question. Example of open source operating system is option A Unix, option B Linux, option C Windows, option D both A and B. Right answer here is option D both A and B. Example of open source operating system is Linux and Unix both. Okay. Next question. Main memory of computer system is also called option A non-volatile, option B volatile, option C reserved, option D large. And right answer here is option B volatile. Main memory of computer system is also called volatile memory. Next question. Controller of computer systems transfers data from devices to option A buffers, option B cache, option C registers, option D indexes. Right answer here is option A buffers. Controller of computer systems transfer data from devices to buffers. Next question. When many users accesses mainframes, this approach is called as option A resource allocation, option B word processors, option C dedicated resources, option D interfaces. Right answer is option A resource allocation. Okay. When many users access mainframes, this approach is called as resource allocation. Next question. Accessing same data from storage of computer system is provided by option A serial clusters, option B parallel clusters, option C Beowulf clusters, option D both A and B. Okay. So right answer is option D, means accessing same data from storage of computer system is provided by serial clusters and parallel clusters also. Next question. To start an input-output operation, device's driver loads appropriate registers into option A memory, option B secondary storage, option C device controller, option D arrays. Right answer is option C, device controllers. To start an input-output operation, device drivers loads appropriate registers into device controller. Next question. Symmetric multiprocessing architecture of computer systems uses shared option A bus, option B memory, option C processors, option D both A and B. Right answer is option D, both A and B. Symmetric multiprocessing architecture of computer systems uses shared buses and memory both. Okay. Next question. In asymmetric clustering, other machines perform operations while one machine is in option A hot standby mode, option B standby mode, option C reset mode, option D undefined mode. Right answer is option A, hot standby mode. Okay. In asymmetric clustering, other machines perform operations while one machine is in hot standby mode. Next question. Ability to continuously providing service proportional to level of surviving hardware. Option A graceful upgradation. Option B degradation. Option C upgradation. Option D graceful degradation. Right answer is option D, graceful degradation. Ability to continuously provide its service proportional to level of surviving hardware is graceful degradation. Okay. Next question. Secondary memory of computer system is also called option A non-volatile, option B volatile, option C reserved, option D is small. Right answer is option A non-volatile. Okay. Secondary memory of computer system is also called non-volatile memory. Next question. Environment in which program of computer system are executed is option A operating system, option B nodes, option C clustered system, option D both A and B. Right answer is option A operating system. Environment in which programs of computer systems are executed in operating system. Next question. One word memory storage is collection of option A 2 bytes, option B 4 bytes, option C 7 bytes, option D 8 bytes. Right answer is option B 4 bytes. Okay. One word memory storage is collection of 4 bytes. Next question. Each user of computer system that uses computer services has at least option A 1 program, option B 2 programs, option C 3 programs, option D 4 programs. Right answer here is option A 1 programs. Each user of computer system that uses computer services has at least 1 program. Next question. Cluster of computer system can be used more efficiently using option A serialization, option B parallelization, option C LAN, option D WAN. Right answer is option B parallelization. Clusters of computer systems can be used more efficiently using parallelization. Next question. A properly designed operating system must ensure that an incorrect or malicious program cannot cause other programs to execute. Option A incorrectly, option B correctly, option C both A and B, option D none. Right answer is option A incorrectly. Okay. A proper designed operating system must ensure that an incorrect or malicious program cannot cause other program to execute incorrectly. Okay. This is very important question. Next question. Table of pointers for interrupt to be executed contains the option A interrupts, option B programs, option C addresses, option D compilers. Right answer here is option C addresses. Table of pointers for interrupt to be executed contains the addresses. Next question. User view of systems depends upon the option A CPU, option B software, option C hardware, Option D, interfaces. Right answer here is option D, interface. User view of system depends upon the interface. Next question. Memories are normally classified according to their option A, speed, option B, cost, option C, indexes, option D, both A and B. Right answer is option D, both A and B. Memories are normally classified according to their speed as well as their cost. Okay. Next question. SCSI system is abbreviation of the option A, small common system interface, option B, small common system interaction, option C, small computer system interface, option D, small computer system interaction. Right answer is option C, small computer system interface. SCSI system is abbreviation of the small computer system interface. Next question. 1 megabyte memory storage in forms of byte is equal to option A, 1024 bytes, option B, 1024 का power 2 bytes, option C, 1024 की power 3 bytes, option D, 1024 and sub 4 means bytes, and here right answer is option B, 1024 की power 2 bytes. 1 megabyte memory storage in form of bytes is equal to 1025 square bytes. Next question. Multiprocessing systems of computer systems are of option A, 2 types, option B, 3 types, option C, 4 types, option D, 5 types. Right answer is option A. Multiprocessing system of computer systems are of 2 types. Next question. Clustered computer systems are normally linked via option A, LAN, option B, WAN, option C, PAN, option D, 10. Right answer is option A, LAN. Okay. Clustered computer systems are normally linked via LAN, local area network. Next question. Kernel mode of operating system runs when mode bit is option A, 1, option B, 0, option C, X, option D, undefined. Right answer is option B, 0. Kernel mode of operating system runs when mode bit is 0. Okay. Next question. Kernel mode of operating system is also called option A, user mode, option B, system mode, option C, supervisor mode, option D, both A and B. Right answer is option C, supervisor mode. Kernel mode of operating system is also called supervisor mode. Next question. Multiprocessor systems of computer system has advantage of option A, cost, option B, reliability, option C, uncertainty, option D, scalability. And right answer here is option B, reliability. Multiprocessor system of computer system has advantage of reliability. Next question. Time sharing systems of computer systems have option A, clusters, option B, nodes, option C, file system, option D, both A and B. Right answer is option C, file system. Okay. Next question. 1 megabyte memory storage in form of bytes is equal to option A, 1024 bytes, option B, 1024 kilobytes, option C, 1056 bytes, option D, 1058 kilobytes. Right answer is option B, 1024 kilobytes. Okay. Next question. Privileged mode of operating system mode is a option A, user mode, option B, kernel mode, option C, system mode, option D, both B and C. Right answer here is option B, kernel mode. Privileged mode of operating system mode is a kernel mode. Next question. Example of bug in one program of operating system effects other in option A, zero error, option B, infinite loop, option C, invalid memory access, option D, both A and B. Right answer is option B, infinite loop. Example of one in one program of operating system effects other in infinite loop. Next question. Master-slave relationship in computer system is used by option A, symmetric multiprocessor, option B, asymmetric multiprocessor, option C, symmetric multiprocessing, option D, asymmetric multiprocessing. Right answer is option D, asymmetric multiprocessing. Okay. Master-slave relationship in computer system is used by asymmetric multiprocessing. Next question. Beowulf cluster of computer system uses option A, closed source softwares, option B, open source softwares, option C, dedicated softwares, Option D, both A and B. Right answer is option B, open sources softwares. Beowulf clusters of computer system uses open source softwares. Next question. In non-multi-programmed system, central processing unit will option A, sit idle, option B, perform well, option C, cost high, option D, cost low. Right answer here is option B, perform well. In non-multi-programmed system, central processing unit will perform well. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Wish you very all the best for your examination. And make sure you subscribe to my channel for more updates. Please share this video with your friends. Thanks a lot for your support and thanks for watching. Thank you.